Hey guys, it's me Luis. I have this one 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. We'll be placing the glass. Remember, this is a tip for today. If you don't have an 18 or 24 bolts on your drill, and because the batteries die, or you don't have it, you can use a 12 bolts. I know these guys, they are too small on the gear, but remember, the little body mongoose use a gearbox, and the game changers the same way. If you want to play on the same way like those guys, just add the angle drives. 3 of those guys will be transferred the torque for the core, the resistance of the urethane to the drill, and making this guy make the cut. Now you're gonna use in the first speed, in the high speed, not the second one, and that's the only have to do. Okay, let me show you how to make this cut, but let me show you how this guy cut. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna just careful on this diamond line. As you see, it's cutting really nice with no problems. And it's a 12 bolts. So usually the 12 bolts don't make it because it's too small gear. You see that? Of course the battery is going to die faster. Now, if in case you don't believe me, let me take this one out. Alright, sometimes the guys make the cut, but sometimes they stop. If I go straight like this, it's gonna make the cut, but you see, sometimes go a little slowly. You see, my drill is gonna stop making the cut. Let me go past this guy. You see that? I got a kick because go too slow. Okay, so but if we add a little train gear, that one, right there, you see, it's making more faster, and it's not going to stop my drill. Now I'm gonna just switch the place like this, and we're gonna finish the cut. You see, my drill never stopped again because I got a gearbox even in that place. You see that? Even the bottom line is making the cut because now you got a gearbox on your drill, and it's a 12 bolts, and I go fast. Okay, you see that? All right, because if you try this one with not angle drives, sometimes these guys make the cut, but sometimes it's like kicking, chuck, chuck, because it's not enough gear torques right here. The torque. But if you add 3 angle drives, you will play in with the gearbox.